Welcome back to the channel, everybody. The paint is yet to dry on the DXY. What do we mean? I'm sure you already know that that is a figure of speech, meaning that it has been boring of late on the market, but things are about to change. If you are joining us for the first time, the usual, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions whatsoever, use the comment section below. So this paint is yet to dry, and I'm going to explain what we mean by that. First of all, this is 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. Those two time frames are like my go-to time frames. They allow me to see like the medium to big picture. Now, this is what we mean. I'm sure some of you watching this might be saying, what's going on? The market has been a bit slow. Well, at least for the Euro USD and the Pound USD, because those are the two major instruments that I pay attention to as of now. I take note of other ones like gold, Bitcoin, but these are my go-to, right? So let me explain something. I'm going to zoom in over here to explain a bit better. This is the 4 hours time frame. Now, how many candles can we see over here in this section here? Because the candles that we can see, they represent 4 hours. This is 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. I'm sure you get the gist already. So around this area here, let's count. 1, which is the present one as of now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want, you could also add this one here. So we can say 7 or 8. So that's about 28 to 32 hours. 28 to 32 hours. What does this mean? That means that for 28 to 32 hours, we've had the market move sideways with some tiny, minute candles, small candles. Now, this could get really, really annoying. But one thing about this business of trading is that you need to exercise patience before you get trades, and also patience even after you have gotten trades. And then don't forget, yesterday in our previous analysis video, guys, make sure you are in tune with the daily videos, watch them. And that's why I said subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you are following the story, because price has a story to tell. So based on this story that we have in front of us for the DXY, we would ask ourselves, okay, so Tolu, why is the market moving in this manner? Why is the paint yet to dry? The paint is yet to dry, but what does that mean? Is it going to dry sooner or later? If you check the calendar, let me just refresh this quickly. If you check the calendar for this week, you can see today being Thursday, May the 9th, we have what? We have high impact news for the USD by 1:30 and also by 6 p.m. And this is UK time. UK time, also Nigerian time as of now. But even before then, look at what we have for pounds. We have pounds at the top of the day, top of the day, noon 12. So that means that for today, yes, indeed, because so far, Monday, we didn't have any news for USD. Tuesday, nothing for USD. Wednesday, not for USD. Today, we have for USD and also Friday. So we should expect what? Should expect some nice movements in the market, right? Nice volatile movements in the market. So the direction is the next thing. When it comes to the direction, because that's what we are trying to take advantage of, right? We said earlier that we have price hitting its areas, right, of resistance, a whole bunch of support over here, support, and our price is over here. As price has pulled back to this area, what we'd like to see is a drop to this point or even to this point over here, which happens to be the lows of this new month of May. Our price could pull back to this area here. Here happens to be a resistance, while here happens to be a supply. When you hear supply and you hear resistance, they still mean the same thing in terms of selling, And when you hear support and you hear demand, they still mean the same thing in terms of buying. It's just looked at slightly differently. So support, resistance, supply, demand, they are pretty much similar. So here also supply area could be one for us to sell and take it back down. At least this is my own personal major bias. I'm looking forward to the DXY dropping. Now, I want to also explain in our analysis sessions, our videos that we do, that we make, we always try to focus a whole lot on the DXY and the USD index. Why? Because this helps us with the directional bias for like the Euro USD as an example. So Euro USD, remember for this DXY, we're looking for selling. That means that for Euro USD, we're looking for what? We're looking for buying opportunities over here, right? I might need to adjust this or maybe take this one out of the way. I was just using that to show the wedge-like pattern, or let me bring it back to show the wedge-like pattern. Oops, what did I do? To show the wedge-like pattern. Oops, come on, T. Let's just do this. Let's duplicate that. And to show like a wedge-like pattern over here, something in this manner, right? So looking at this over here, you can see for this Euro USD, the market seems to be, after pushing higher, seems to be moving in this wedge-like pattern. So where it is now, don't be surprised if it drops further down to this point here, hits this area and then pushes higher. Don't forget DXY is down, so Euro USD is up. And then the same thing also for the GBP USD, the cable GBP USD. We're also looking forward to the price going up as well. And looking forward to it going up, you can see it's presently at this area here, already reacting to these areas here of support, previous resistance areas. Always look to the left and you understand much better. Excuse me. So we're looking forward to pound USD pushing higher. Now, I always say price could go up, and price could go down, right? Even though I am long bias on the Euro USD and pound USD, it doesn't mean that it could not drop down. And if that is the case, then we'll try to make adjustments according to what we can see. And if we can make adjustments, we leave it alone. It's not by force that you enter the market. Make sure there's clarity before you click on buy or click on sell. Now, with that said, I want to round up this video now. I want to try as much as possible not to making it way too lengthy so that you can watch, rewind, ask questions, and so on. And then I'll try to get back to you guys in good time. So don't forget, use the comment section below to ask your questions. Give me your feedback as well. Give me your own analysis. What do you think about the DXY for today? What do you think about the Euro USD or the pounds USD for today? If you are a trader, whether struggling or experienced trader, give me your thought process. Let's analyze the market together. The videos that we make are strictly analysis videos because for us to trade, we need to analyze the market based on the fundamentals and also the technicals, right? So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get the videos immediately they drop. So from me to you, thank you guys. Trade safely, use a stop loss, protect your account, limit your risk by using the proper volume, the proper lot size based on your account balance. Thank you guys. Over and out. Cheers.